Everyone, welcome back to Think Thursday with Big Data Princess. Yes, I know it's been a while. I must apologize. Just a lot going on the past few weeks, so thought it's a good time to take a break and actually think about, everything going on and how we can be part of the change and make a difference, a positive impact, and one that a good legacy that we can pass on and be part of history and part of a good change. So, yeah, thank you. And let's see what we have in stock for today. Stock. And we're still learning data engineering, and I'm using stock data. It depends on what your interest is, but the idea is we work together no matter the data that we're interested in. Last time for our first video was just understanding how to use the Twitter API to grab keywords about stocks to understand the stock terms better. I don't know much about stock trading or all of that. So I've been doing a bit of reading and just pulling stuff from the Twitter handles for, major like stockbrokers like Yahoo Finance or the Nigerian Stock Exchange, just to see what they're talking about and get a sense of, what stock trading is and all of that. Anyway, so we have this out here. This is your regular import pandas and libraries that you need. There are two main libraries, also models that people use based on my research. Pandas data reader. I see a lot of people use this just able to access and pull data. Another one is a stalker. I think this is really cool because this helps with like predicting the stock price. If you want to add like some predictions and all of that, which we will be doing at the end of this whole learning, this is a good one to use. So back here we have that. I'm just going to look at the trend for the year so far. Then and run this. I can run everything, but just need to see me running it. And we're going to look at the closing price. So I'm looking at the closing price still with Home Depot. I'm kind of interested in Home Depot as against like Apple, Google, and Microsoft. They're pretty expensive. I checked them in like 2019 and the price was not bad at all. Like it was low. And I'm like, where was I in 2019? I should have invested, right? But yeah, so we can actually see the trend. We had a dip in April and it's been on the rise since. So the economy is getting better. Yeah, just hope it keeps getting better. So this is a summary really of like stuff that you can use to pull your data. I do sometimes agree about data engineering and data science, and I think I really need to write a lot of the scripts myself. There are a lot of like APIs and things that you can use to pull your data. For instance, using the data reader, I'm getting all of my data from like the stock data from Yahoo Finance and just calling the get data Yahoo. I'm able to pull that from Yahoo Finance and, I'm getting all of that. So there's really not a lot of work. There's a lot of work, I'm going to put it that way, but there are a lot of tools and stuff out there that can help you build your model out, and a lot of people have done a lot of things. So there's really no need to reinvent the wheel. You can actually just take what's there, modify it a little bit, and voila, you're able to get some understanding of that. So now I'm able to see the trends with stocks, and our next video we're going to analyze more on pulling those keywords from the Twitter handle and comparing that to a lot of the companies I want to look at and see, these keywords, these words are trending on Twitter. What about this company? What is it they're doing? We can be able to compare that and get a good sense of the next direction. So I'd love to get your feedback, your comments. Just drop them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.